Welcome back, everybody. We are going to look at a couple of batteries today. I am going to test this aftermarket battery for the Bebop 2. It does weigh a little bit more. The stock battery is a 2700 milliamp hour, and the aftermarket one is a 3100. And the weight on the stock one is 191.3, and this one is 213.0. So this one does weigh a little bit more, not much. But I am going to tell you something. Getting this aftermarket battery in and out of the quadcopter is extremely difficult. Okay, so I'm just going to let you know that going in. If you really need one of these batteries, I'm going to put a link in there where you can get one. They're like $37. But the design, of course, it looks identical. But when you go to slide it in there, it's extremely difficult to push it in to here. I'm not going to demonstrate that for you because I don't want to do that till I get it over to the field. But it's extremely difficult to get it to snap in here. I mean, extremely difficult. And it's extremely difficult to get it removed. So I'm going to let you know that going in. All right, so let's go test it and see, see what these cells do. All right. All right, everybody. I want to see how this aftermarket battery holds up. So let's give that a shot and see if that works out good. And we'll always be able to tell because it'll drop out and the battery cells will go quick. They won't last. So far it's at 94%. I am just flying around testing the battery. I'm not really All right, so it looks like the battery is doing well. You would know right away, you know what I mean? It's not hard to figure this stuff out. When you're up there at the 99% or whatever, and you take off, if the cells are bad, it's gonna start dropping real fast, quickly. It doesn't, it usually doesn't mess around. It usually goes quick. I tested my regular Bebop batteries yesterday, and both of them they went from 100 down to zilch in like a minute. Okay, so that means don't fly it anywhere important. Okay, so it's working good. It's down to 77%, and I've been going for almost 5 minutes, so I would say it's doing well. I would say it's okay. So I will put a link in the video if you want to get one of these aftermarket videos, batteries. They still have some left from what I've seen. So it's all good. It's all good. Still 74% at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah. That's good. That's good. All right, guys. Have a nice day.